Done. Shall we start? Add your lunch. And will you answer? I need sound now. Okay. Increase your voices. So now we'll go for interest. Initially, what we learned, what was our first topic? No, previously discount we saw. Discount we saw. Yes or no? Forgot. Talk. Close your book for now. Close your book. First topic, what we saw? Discount. What we have to see in that? Mark price, selling price. This difference will be discount. Next, what we saw? Profit and loss. In that, CP you have to see, SP you have to see. The difference is profit or loss. If it is plus, profit. If it is minus, it is loss. Now we are seeing interest. Simple interest and compound interest. Interest is always calculated on principal amount, and the final thing is total amount. This difference, if you take interest, you will get. Okay, the difference between principal and final amount is interest. In interest, two types are. In interest, simple interest, compound interest. Getting it? Getting it? Simple. What we learned, we are applying it in here also. Simple interest and compound interest. Okay. You want to copy? Or shall I move? If you want, you can copy it. Easy questions. Reasoning tomorrow will do. Tomorrow. Reasoning very less is there. Like a lot of topics are from quants only. Okay, tomorrow I'll take reasoning plus quant. Both I'll take. Okay. This is done. Why laughing? Reasoning is difficult. Quant is always difficult. Reasoning will be easy. So I'll cover this first. Later on, we'll see the reasoning part. You're also getting a headache. Even I'm also getting a headache. What to do? We have to complete. No, exam is already. That is okay, but since exam is already scheduled, I need to cover the quant topic is more is that. Tomorrow I'll take half of. I did not prepare for reasoning. Questions and all I did not prepare. Okay. Tomorrow I'll take. I was maintaining the reasoning part at last, Tuesday and Wednesday. I thought like let me complete the quant part. So if you want reasoning, I need to prepare for that. Questions and all I don't know. Like I need to get the questions. PPT and all I need to create. So tomorrow we'll go. The first half will go for quant. The second half will go for reasoning. That is okay? Okay. Adjust. What to tell? Simple interest formula. PTR by 100. Okay. P is principal. P is principal. T is time. R is rate of interest. Okay. This is simple interest. And T should always be in year, not in month. If at all they give in month, you need to convert it into year. Okay. This should always be in year. Okay. Then PTR time. And one more thing, rate of interest, it should be always in per annum basis. It should always be in per annum basis. If they give 6% for 6 months, for 12 months, it is 12%. Always convert, if at all rate of percentage is not given in yearly wise as per annum basis, you need to convert it into 12 months. For 1 year, you need to calculate. After converting only, you need to apply substitution. Okay. These two are important points. Time in, time in, always in year. Note it. Rate of interest per annum, always in per annum. Okay, done. The amount that you invested, like for example, you're taking a loan from the bank. You're taking 1 lakh of loan. Then you repay it with interest. The 1 lakh what you took, no, that is principal amount. Suppose if you have 1 lakh in your home, you're depositing in the bank. Bank will give some interest, no? That 1 lakh what you deposited is principal. And interest plus principal, what is that? That is amount. Amount equals principal plus interest. Okay. What is interest formula? Interest PTR by 100. If you don't answer, you will sleep. If you don't answer, you will be sleeping, you will get headache, everything you will get. Okay, answer. What is interest formula? Don't write. P plus PTR by 100. Can I take P common? If I take P common, 1 plus TR by TR by 100. This is amount formula. This is simple interest formula. This is amount formula. Copy this too. Done. Done. For example, don't write. Answer here. Principal amount is 1 lakh. Rate of interest is, simple interest is 10%. Okay. Time is 3 years. How will you do this? For first year, time is 3 years. Okay. For first year, second year, third year, you have to calculate. For 1 year, what is the percentage they are giving? 10%. 10% of 1 lakh, 10,000. For second year, 10,000. Third year, each year you're getting 10%. What is the total value, total interest value? You, how much you got? 30,000. This is the total interest. This is the principal amount. What is the final amount? 1,30,000 plus, meaning P plus interest. Okay. This is the basic concept. Similarly, compound interest will be slightly small changes is there for compound interest. Copy this step for simple interest. Copy this one. So later on you can compare it with compound interest. Copy this one. Step by step you can write. Always note, time should be in year. Rate should be in per annum basis. Done. Suppose if principal is 100, 5%, 3%. If principal is rupees 100 and rate is 5%, time is 3 years. This you can implement and like substitute and do with the formula. What is the formula? Louder. PTR by 100. You can substitute PTR is there by 100. You will get the answer. If principal is 100, rate is 10% per annum for 24 months. What will be the T?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. If the rate is 6% half yearly, 12%. If it is 8% for 8 months, 12%. How? 8 month, 8%. So 1 month, 1%. 12 month, 12%. Okay. If it is 36 months, 3 years. If it is 7 month, 7. Always divide by 12. Here also 24 month is there. You said 2 years. How you got 2 years? Divide by 12. Divide by 12. Here also 7 month divided by 12, you will get the answer. If it is 5 month, divide by 12. Okay. This is the base. Understood? I'll give you one sum. You do. 2 small sums will try first. Principal amount is 2000. Principal is 2000. Rate is 10% per annum. Time is 2 years. Calculate the interest.
Sir.
400. You took more than a minute. 400. Shortcut. Okay. Gopi, you're getting 400. You don't 400. Divya? No. Sudeep? I'll tell you, that will come. Quarterly means 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So 3 months. Quarterly means 3 months. Half yearly means 6 months. Look here. First I'll PTR normal formula method you got. Just substitution. This one shortcut method. 2 into, for rate is 10% per annum. For 2 years, it is 20%. 20%. 2 into 20%. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. Means a percentage means 2 zeros cancel. Here 1 0, here 1 0. Without writing, you can tell the answer. Okay. If it is 3 years, 600. If it is 8,000, without writing, you're telling. Okay. Understood? Next. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. Time is 2 years. Simple interest is 400. Find the principal amount. Try substitution on it. Previous amount I gave. But try with, like, find any other shortcut for you. Try doing. I'll tell you another shortcut here. Means cross multiplication I'll teach you. Look here. Rate is 10% per annum. Total is 400. I mean, time is 2 years. Rate is 10% per annum. Total rate 20%. 20%. 20% represents 400. Okay. So what is 100%? Into 5. How much? Into 5. Into 5. How much? Getting 20% is 400. From question only I took. Rate is 10% per annum. 2 years. The total percentage 20%. 20% is 200. What is 100%? What is the answer? 4,000. That's all. Okay. If it is 20%, getting it? Simple interest is 800. Rate is 20%. Time is 2 years. So 2 into 20, 40. 40 is 800. Then 40% is 800. 100% cross multiply. Cross multiply is applicable for most of the sums. Okay. Suppose amount rate is 10% per annum. Time is 2 years. Amount is 2,400. What is the principal and interest? Simple interest. Done. What is the value? 2,000 plus 400. Yeah. Same sum only I gave in other math. That's all, same thing only. Look here. So rate is, what is the amount formula? Amount equals P plus principal plus interest. So principal, let it be 100%. Okay. So interest is for total Total 20. So this is 20 percentage. This is under principal is 100 percentage. What will be the amount? 120 percentage. Getting, so 120 represents 2400. 100 easily. Again cross multiplication. You will get.
If they don't give P, we have to take it.
No, like even if you don't take 100 also, you will get the answer. Because amount includes both principal and interest. Interest is 20 percentage. 20 will be always greater than the principal amount. If principal is not given, take base as a base value, that is 100. Okay, that always consider base value as 100. So amount will be 120 percentage. So 20 percentage is interest, 100 percentage is principal. So value you have, you can cross multiply. Can you calculate this one? Can you calculate this one? What they are asking? Done. Doing it in formula. Using formula method or normal method? Shortcut method. Try. Tell me the answer. Done. Getting the answer. Somewhere 11,000. Correct on. Look here. Look here. Stop writing. Look here. Divya, look here. So what they gave, simple interest you have to calculate. Correct? So total is 4 years. Percentage is 15% per annum. For 1 year, it is 15%. For 4 years, 60 percentage. And the principal, always consider it as 100 percentage. 100% is, what is the simple interest? Cross multiply. 60 into 18440 divided by 100. Two zeros gone. 6 into 4, 18. 44 into 6, 24. 4, 2, 24, 48, 6, 4, 6, 0, 1, 1. 11,060. You can apply this in formula also, you will get the answer. Where you went wrong? Getting it. Always check the possibility of using cross multiplication in all the sums. It is easy. Come on, do this one. This is principal. You have to calculate total amount. I'll see. First is principal. Like you guys try in both the methods, that is formula as well as this shortcut. Whichever feels easy for you. Initially, you practice with both the methods for some particular sums, around 10 to 20 sums. Later on, you can shift, you can choose your method. Look here, 100% is 65,800. Look here, look here, look here, look here. Answer. Then per annum interest is, for 4 years it is 96 equals cross multiply. Total amount means add this one. You will get some value here, no? You will get some value here. You add this value with principal amount, that is the amount. I mean, that is the total final value. What is the value here? 648 plus 65,000. This is final. Okay, okay. Okay. 1,20,22,000. 648 only. 684, 648. This is short, I mean, this is cross multiplication method. Okay, Rohan, you're getting it confusing. Sudeep, confusing. This one you understood. The principal amount is 100% we took. So 100% meaning 65,800. So what is the per annum percentage rate? 14%. For 4 years they gave. 14 into 4, 96. So 96%, if you calculate cross multiplication, you know, you will get some value. That is interest. That is interest. Okay, this is principal amount. What is the amount formula? P plus I. You add this value with this value, you will get amount. Okay. Check this. You're getting it? Done. I need to check. Look here. Mr. A takes a loan from Mr. B for 2 years at the rate of interest 5%. We'll see. So for 2 years, what is the rate of percentage? So rate can I take as 10%? And he gave back 6,600. 6,600 is, what is it? 6,600 amount, total amount. Amount equals P plus I. What is the total amount? 6,600. Find the interest paid by Mr. A. If you guess this 6,600 as total amount, you will get the answer. Did you try with the formula or normal method? Amount you applied and tried. What is the value? No, amount will be 600 is interest. Principal will be 6,000. You say, like you were telling the amount. No, amount is 6,600. That is already given. That is given.
6,000 is a principal amount.
Mm-hmm.
Interest is a second.
Yeah, correct. Look here. 6,600 is there. 10% interest, meaning 100% is principal. Principal plus interest is amount. So 110% is amount. 110% is amount. So this represents 6,600. Correct? So you need 100% or 10%. 10% is the interest they are asking, no? So 10% cross multiply. Understanding? No. Yes, no. Understanding, confusing. Tell something. Not interested. Divya, understanding. Sleeping.
Instead of 110, I've taken 100 only.
100 if you take, that is principal amount you'll get. What is the
Sir, tell me the formula.
formula is easy, no? Look here. What all they gave? Rate is given. Rate is 5%. Correct? Time is 2 years. Then amount is given. Amount is 6,600. What is interest they need? So amount formula
Weakness.
P into 1 plus answer 1 plus RT by 100. Okay. So A equals 6,600 equals P into 1 plus rate is 5. Time 2 divided by 100. Okay. Getting it? Don't write. Stop writing. 6,600. Simplify this. P into. Can you take LCM for this? 100 plus 10 divided by 100. Correct? Can I write 110 here? Okay. Can I cross multiply here? Into 100 divided by 110. Correct? This will give P value. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. Correct? What is the value? 6,000 will be answer, no? Principal amount. From here you have to calculate simple interest. Minus it, that's all. A equals P plus I. Following? No. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Need break again. Energy is there or the energy gone down? In UPSC, how will you write mains exam? Continuously you have to write. You know. Guys, like in mains exam and all, you don't have time to think there. You don't have time to blink also. Continuously you have to write. 250 words in 10 minutes you have to write. Have you tried any time? Answer writings? No. Answer writing you did not try. Try. You will know. There you don't have time and all for mains exam. You have to continuously keep on writing. You have to increase the speed in writing. This is not only for IB. Not only IB is having the time constraint. Even UPSC is having a lot of time constraint. Essay and all you have to write pages together. 10, 15 pages you have to write. Do this one. You're getting the answer? Options I'll give. Getting? This is nothing but simplification. There is no concept here. Just apply the values, substitute the values in the given formula. Or else, if you're not able to find the simplification, you can see with this elimination technique. Time is getting up. Half an hour is up. Getting? No. It is nothing but simplification, guys. previous sum, it is just simplification. Remaining sums are there. I'll give the PPT. You can try it in your home. Like a lot of sums are there. Like almost 5 to 6 sums are there. You can try. See, IB level question. Find the interest rate of amount of 2 years on simple interest on capital meaning. Capital means principal amount. 1200 is amount. Total amount is 1200. What is for this one? Simple interest you have to calculate. P plus I only, same thing. By looking at, can you answer? Just by looking at, what is the answer?
Interest.
Interest. Interest is 200. Simple interest. Rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. 200 is there. For 2 years. For 1 year it is 100 rupees. Percentage. In percentage I need 20 percentage. Okay. I mean 10 percentage. For 1 year it is 10 percentage per annum. For 2 years. Okay. Simple only. No need to write the formulas. Just see the question, see the options, tick and go. Okay. Lot of sums are there. I'll share the PPT. You can try. Huh? For that answers. ChatGPT. Wait. I'll tell the answers. You find the steps. Okay. What else? After the class, I'll tell you. Answer this one. Find simple interest. For this, write the question. Don't write the answer. Just see the question and tell me the answer. Options are here. Getting it. Think. Any idea? Not getting. No. Look here. Similar problem I'll give you for next question you can try. Look here. What they have asked, principal they gave. Okay. Principal is there. After 10 years, that amount will be in between, interest and all will be added, no? In between, for 10 years, interest will be added. What will be the final thing? That is called amount. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. Principal becomes amount after 10 years. Initially, the principal, you keep it as X or 100. You keep it as 100. It becomes thrice after 10 years. Thrice meaning triple, 300. Initially, in introduction, I said principal and amount difference will be interest. What is the interest? 200. 200 divided by 10 years equals 20 percentage. For 1 year, 20 percentage. Getting it? Confusing, not understood.
Got it.
You got it. Simple. It is like coding and decoding only. Question is coded. You have to decode it into formula. For this and all, if no need to apply this formulas and all. No need to apply here. Next question I'll dictate. Take it down. Rohan done. Sudip done. A certain sum of money becomes 4 times in 5 years. Certain sum of money becomes 4 times in 5 years. Okay. At certain interest rate. Then calculate the time in which the same sum will become 10 times of itself. Then calculate the time in which the same sum will become 10 times of itself at the same rate of interest.
You have to say times.
How? You try. 12.5 is not the right answer.
10 times you said.
10 times I said.
Suppose it says 5 years it is 4 times. And again 5 years it is 8 times.
No. You try once. Write and try. I'll tell you. Not getting. That is not the answer. 15 will come. How come? I'll tell you.
It's 10 times.
1 minute. I'll tell. What is the question? 100 becomes? What is the question? Certain sum of money becomes 4 times.
4 times.
Certain sum, I'll take it as 100. Look here. Certain sum, I'll take it as 100. It becomes 4 times. 4 times in
5 years.
5 years. So 300 is the interest. Okay. 300 in 5 years. 5 years it took 300. Next question. The same amount will become 10 times. Correct? Sorry, 10 times. 10 times. What is the difference? 900. Okay. Then for this one, you have to calculate the time. So 300 took 5 years. For 900, 15 years. Getting it? Getting sleep. Rohan? No. Done. We'll go for compound interest. For compound interest, it is same as simple interest, but compounding will change every year. That is the only difference. Initially, I'll tell the formula. No, first I'll tell the example. Example is for principal, tell me any amount. 10,000 I'll take. 8,003.5. Principal I'll take 8,000. Then time I'll take 3 years. Then rate 20 percentage. No, I'll take 5 percentage. Okay. For this one, how to calculate the interest? First concept I'll tell you, don't write. Look here. Initially, what we did in simple interest, for every year, 5% you calculated, then you added in total, right? For this one, each year, 5%. Okay, 5% of 8,000 is? 5% can be written as 1 by 20. 5% can be written as 1 by 20. Yes or no? Yes. Into 8,000. 400. 400 you got. For second year, look carefully. For second year, 8,000 plus 400. For this, you have to calculate the 5% interest. 1 by 20. Not for 8,000. 8,400 means principal plus the previous amount, previous interest, you have to calculate. That is compounding. Okay, 8,400, this one. 420. Next, third year, 8,400 plus 480, 420 into 1 by 20. Correct? How much? Okay. What is the total interest? This is total interest. How much? 1261. This is total interest. This is principal amount. If you add principal and interest, you will get the amount value. This is compounding. That is simple interest. If you blindly take 8,000 in all the years, that is simple interest. Compounding means you are adding the previous year's interest in the current year. Getting it? Harsha, getting it? Gopi, understood? Copy this step. Done. Copy the formula. Compound interest equals principal 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. Here P is principal. Look here. P is principal. R is rate. N is time. Either you can take T or N. N represents time here. This is the formula for compound interest. Any values you can substitute, you'll get the answer. Substitution, simplification, that you have to practice it. Okay. This is compound interest formula. Copy. I'll give you one simple sum. Try to do either in formula method or your own method. Principal is 100. Rate is 10%. Time is 3 years. Answer the compound. 33. Yeah. Getting, not getting, getting.
33.1.
33.1. What is the amount?
133.1.
Look here. You did in formula method.
No.
Your own method. Total amount is 100. Percentage you said is 33. Look here. Initially, 100 is there. Okay. For first year, if I add 10 percentage, what is 10 percentage of 100? 10 percentage of, so total is 110. Second year I'll add 10 percentage. 10 percentage of this one, 10 percentage of 11. So add it, 121. So third year I'll be adding 10 percentage. 10 percentage means 12.1. Just add one decimal point, that's all. Add this one. This is total amount. Interest means minus 100. Okay. Formula also you can. P. Tell me the formula. P. 1 plus R by. Answer. R by. Okay. What is P? 1 plus R. 10 percentage plus divide by 100 into power of 3 minus 1. Simplify this. Time. N and T same. In simple interest we use T. Here we use this one. Till here you understood. $100. LCM I'll take. 110 by 100. Correct? Minus 1. Correct? 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. You simplify this. Minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 100. Is this correct? 100 I multiplied for both. This cube I splitted. 100 cancelled. 110 into 110 into 110 minus 100. First you solve this one. 11 tables I said you in first class. 3 zeros is there. At last you can add 11 into 11, 121 into 11, 1 3 3 1, 3 zeros. Okay, minus 100. How much? 13,30,000. What is the question? What was the question? Principal 100.
Rate of interest is 10.
Rate of interest is 10. Time is T. 33. Somewhere we went wrong. 33 we are getting. 133 point. 133 point. Somewhere some zeros we missed up. This answer we are getting no 1331 000. Some 000 we have to cancel it somewhere. But answer you will get. Simplification takes more time. Okay. Divide by 1000. Okay, getting it. Is it visible? Is it visible? Can you solve this one? Time is less.
For 2 years. Time is 2 years.
You have to find the time. Even I don't know. We'll see. Time is 2 years you're getting. 2. We'll see. We'll see. How did
2 years.
2 years? Formula method? Or how did you do? What is your own method? What? How did you do? Like, let me see. Principal is compound interest.
1% is 300, sir.
Hmm.
300 into 7. 2100.
Uh-huh.
2100 for, I mean, for 7 it is 2100. 7% means it is 1 year interest.
Hmm.
This one plus 30,000 is equal to.
Oh, like that. One by one you added. Okay. Like that also you can do. If it is, and this is for 2 years. If it is for 10 years, that is difficult. But try. That is what. Look at the question. then apply your method. Choose the method and then apply. That is the technique there. Skill is that only, choosing which method to do in exam. Okay. What is the formula for compound interest? Compound interest formula. P equals
1 plus R by
CI equals P 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus 1. Correct? P is 30,000. Compound interest is 4347. Correct? 1 plus rate is 7. 7 by 100. Power you have to find. Minus 1. Correct? This 30,000 I'll bring down. 4347. This 30,000 I'll bring down. What is remaining? 1 plus 7 by 100. Minus 1 is there. I'll bring it to left hand side. Minus 1 becomes plus 1 equals. Can I write 107 by 100? LCM. N. Okay. This one you can cancel it by 3 table. 3 table if you cancel. 1, 3, 12, 4, 1, 14, 4, 9. Divide by 10,000 you will get. If I cancel in 3 ones, this is the answer. Okay. So this equals, I'll write here 1449 divided by 10,000 equals 107 by 100 power n. You remember, no? A power m equals b power m. If powers are same, you can cancel this. You can equate the power. Or like a power n equals a power n. If base is same, you can equate the powers. M equals n. Getting it? Getting it? So now we got till here. So 10,000 can I write as 100 squared? 10,000 can I write as 100 squared? 100 squared. So 14,1,449. 49 is there. Here 7 is there. 7, 7, 49. 7 squared. 7 squared.
49.
49. So 7 squared is 49. Can I write 107 square? 107 squared by 100 squared. So squared, I'll take it as common. Equals 107 by 100 power n. If base is same, power can be equated. Okay. No need to simplify all this thing. See the unit digits, equate it. All small things only. Like no need to, if you're going lengthier, no, somewhere you went wrong. In exams, the lengthy problems will not come. Somewhere some techniques will be hidden. You have to find that. For that, you have to be thorough with percentage, fraction, that conversion, cube root, square root. Then tables. All these 4 things are base for everything. Getting it? Complicated. Sleeping. One sum will do. What is Before that, this is for annual interest per annum. Rate is per annum. Okay. If compounding is done half yearly, means every 6 months you have to calculate. Time should be converted into 6 months. If 18 month is given, what you will do? Previously it was yearly, so everything you will make it into 12 months or 1 year. If it is given as 24 months, you will take it as 2 years. But in this case, you cannot do like that. Half yearly means for convert it into every 6 months. If 18 month is there, 6 month, 6 month, 6 month. Calculate compounding like this.
What if 8 months?
8 month compounding will not come usually. In banks, how will you get compounding? Quarterly, half yearly, annually.
So that is what 4 means 8 means quarterly.
3 is quarter. 12 month is there, divide by 4. Okay. Getting it. This is half yearly. If it is quarterly, for convert it into 3 months. If they are giving 24 months, what you will do? 3 till 8. Okay, like this you have to calculate. The formula for this one is what is the compound interest formula for annual compound interest formula? P 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus 1. Okay, in half yearly it is n by 2. Okay, R is written as R by 2. Only these are the changes. Half yearly, R by 2 and n by 2. Got it? For quarterly, it is n by 4. Quarter means 1 by 4 only, no? Quarter means 1 by 4. N by 4, here R by 4. No change in formula. Just divide by 4. Getting? Following? You're getting it. Harsha? Getting.
But in the
Calculations, the thing is, we are not doing a lot of sums. Only one sum I'm teaching. Okay, you have to do a lot of sums. Concept is very easy, very easy. The thing is, you have to read the sentence. Sometimes the direct questions will be there. That is easy. Values will be given. Substitute in the formula, you will get the value. Sometimes an amount becomes thrice in 10 years. How will you do? Compounding is also easy, but the thing is practice. Okay, nothing in that. Like again, tomorrow we'll see some sums related to compounding. Then we'll go for or other topics. Okay, practice compounding. The annual form, annual thing you practice it. Half yearly and quarterly we'll see few sums. Then we'll go for reasoning part. Okay, slept. Okay, any doubts? Practice it, that's all. Nothing more than this one. This is only simplification. Even partnership is there, time and work is there, distance is there. All these are simplification only. No, means basic small concepts only. There is no shortcut in that. Only simplifications. Okay, shortcut meaning try to identify the cross multiplication method. That is easy. Okay, for all these bases, percentage, fraction, cube root, square root, and tables. You have to be thorough with that. Okay, done. Any doubts? Okay, thank you. See quarterly sum is. If you want to try this one, tomorrow I'll tell you that. Quarterly. I have already sent to her. She will share. Okay, you must. After this. Or else I'll share it with you. Share it.